Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome back to the 256 Garage YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since we really posted any videos. We've just been swamped and a lot of other stuff going on. Life happened, I guess you say. We're just busy. But we're going to try to get things back up and going. We're actually starting out with a shop cleanup, and we're going to start in one corner and go all the way around, and we're going to get a lot of stuff out of this shop. We're going to organize. We're going to put vehicles in different sections. We're going to put a place to paint over there on that side. We've got a paint booth. It's going to be a while before we get it up though, so we're going to actually put a little tent up, and we'll try to do a video on that. That way we can paint in there and we can keep going over here. We've got a lot of good projects to do, a lot of good YouTube content, so hopefully we'll get this shop cleaned up, and we're going to kind of walk you through some of our projects while we're cleaning on the shop, and kind of show you some of the stuff in the shop we're doing and getting ready, and hope to produce some quality content. So just keep up with us on this shop cleanup, and maybe we can get started back, hit this YouTube thing wide open. Check us out on TikTok. We do a lot of quick TikTok videos. Takes off pretty good. But we're going to start over here in this corner. It's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see. We've already kind of got started. We've put up some shelves, trying to get all our paint stuff. Got our gallons down there, extra paint. Got our clears, reducers, hardeners. Got some quarts and pints of stuff that we've painted and left over. Trying to put all our primers and stuff up here. All of our cleaners. We need to put another shelf maybe to put all of our plastic filler and stuff like that. But this is kind of where we're getting started. Got our paint mixer over there, and we're gonna get some wheels on this car, get it moved out of the way, and we're starting in this corner and going all the way through. By the time we're done, you won't even recognize this shop. So just kind of go along with us here, and we'll like I said, update on some projects that we're gonna have in the future. But anyway, that's what it's looking like right now, so we're gonna get started back on this cleaning. On, man.
Hey, that cycle shop is open for
Oh, look at that. I never would dream to roll that easy with you.
Go, Jack. We finally got the shop somewhat cleaning up, or started cleaning up. We slid this old 70 fastback out. That's my daddy's. Trying to talk him into putting his motor together so we can put it in this bad boy and get to driving it again. It got parked because we robbed parts off of it to fix another car we had. And then it's just sitting. Always something else to do. Tell you we're going to have to take time to do what we got to do to this.
1970 sport roof.
It used to have matching wheels, running motor, and mufflers.
Yeah, this bad boy was drove into this shop. Was drove up and down the road, backed it in the shop. Probably 4 years ago, backed it into work, backed it in the shop, and we pushed it out.
I don't appreciate y'all posting my neglect all over the internet.
You hear that? He neglects his kids. He admitted it.
First bit of water is seen in about 4 or 5 years.
Okay, we moved it. We got the corner cleaned out, Mustang out. We moved the F100 over in here. If you've been checking out some of the videos, this is actually one of our projects, 70 model F100. We put the Dream Beam suspension under it. We put still got the 9-inch Ford. We put the Mustang gas tank in it. We repainted the frame copper, cleaned it all. Under the bottom of the truck is black. Like I said, you've seen it in some of our previous videos. We're gonna try to get started back heavy on it. Should be a real nice truck when we're done. It's gonna have nice interior. Everything's gonna be black. Like I said, we got the frame copper. You can see the frame there. We're doing inside and out, full restoration. We're planning on taking this truck to an auction one day. So we've got it over here where maybe we can get started on it. As soon as you come in the door, that way stuff won't get piled on it, like the Mustang that was just sitting there. So we'll get started on it. We're getting this section right here cleaned up. We still got a long way to go. The Comet over there, we're gonna try to move it here. We get it pushed over here, we'll talk about it a little bit. Hold on. Here's a better view of the 70 where we can zoom in. So if you see that frame, we cleaned it all, painted it copper. We painted the cab, front and underneath, the firewall there and underneath is already painted black. We got the inside and the floors. This is a good solid truck. We got them pour 15. We're gonna come in here and put black paint, new paint all on the inside. Like I said, here's the back, the 9-inch rear end. Everything's kind of dusty right now, but we'll get it all pressure washed back off and get everything painted. This is gonna be one nice truck. Okay, we got a little further along. We got this area cleaned out. We got the 65 Comet up here. I'm not sure if we posted any videos on the 65 Comet or not, but we put a front end under it, a rear end under it. If we hadn't, we will have a video on that. Coyote swapping it. This is a very, very, very big build. I mean, front end, rear end, Coyote. Having to put a different transmission tunnel in it. I don't know if you can see it there. It's kind of dark, but we got it moved up here where we can start working on it too. So hopefully we'll have some good video on it pretty soon, but that's a little step further and we still got a long way to go. Okay, we're back. It's Sunday morning. We got pretty much all down through there done yesterday. Started back in the back corner. So we're gonna try and get all this straightened up. That's our goal for today, to at least make it to the door to where them fans are. We get all that straightened out. We'll try to do some of that over there later. We got a couple projects we don't need to be moving parts around on. So if we can just get back to that door there, everything clear, we'll be good. Here's a little bit of the drag car also that we've been working on. I think we've done a video or two on it. Well, we've got the motor in it, got the power glide transmission in it, converter. We still like a few things, hook up the radiator, getting the electronics right, transmission lines. Just kind of give you a little update on it too. Try to get it in there on the lift and get all that hooked up. And we have got it where it'll crank. Got a big block forward in it. But that kind of gives you an idea of where it's been, because I know there ain't been nothing showed on it in a while. So hopefully we can get it up and going pretty soon. At least get it where it'll move around, drive around the lot. And then maybe be one step closer to getting it to the track anyway. Well, we got this side done. It's kind of dark in here. Shut the back door so you can't really see too much, but you can kind of see how we got the F100 and the Comet lined up where we can get work on them. We got the lift empty, get to it pretty good. We got a few little things like an old transmission and a few old buckets and stuff over there we still want to get rid of in that one shelf right there, but we've got everything on this side a whole lot better. We can get a couple cars back here now if we need to. We've got the whole middle opened up. We got a couple jobs over here to the side, so we really can't do nothing over there till we get them to going. We got the Mustang parts. We don't want to get scattered and lost everywhere that go on the blue 68 out there. Got the Camaro over here and parts kind of sitting on it. So we get them kind of straightened around, then we can go to this side. But that's how we've got it right now. Hopefully we'll make everything a little more efficient, and we can start doing some more, get back on the YouTube videos and start doing a little better videos, more videos, and a little better content, and kind of keep people updated on what's going on with the builds. So that's going to do it for this week. Hope everybody enjoyed. We're kind of excited, and hope it all works out good, and we can really start posting some videos and really knocking out some hot rods. Y'all have a good day.